GoPro is on. We're going in the hole. All right, I'm out here on the old farm with the cows again today. They're my audience, so I'm gonna go in this old well and see what I can find, if there's anything at the bottom. It's a 20 foot deep, at least 20 foot. Need to get a tape measure on it. And so we're gonna go down there with the GoPro today and see what we can find. It's a very old rock lined well. So I've got my light here. I'm gonna shine this light down in there, and then we're gonna take the GoPro and go down in. Okay, here I go. Super paranoid about losing my GoPro, so hopefully that won't happen. It might make a good video, but just don't want that to happen. All right, here goes. If I accidentally let go of this, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so let's do this. All right. Okay, good deal. Feel better. Turn the GoPro on. GoPro's got full battery. All right, here we go. Full battery. We're going in the hole. Got our audience over there. If it's not good, I'll go back. I'll fix it and go back again. Okay, turn the light on. And here goes. All right. Past these vines, roots. Okay, past around that one. Ooh. Come on. Well, maybe I can just stay on this side of it. There we go. All right. We're going down. I'm just going to go ahead and ascend. I would have connected my phone the way I can control the GoPro, but it's so deep, I was worried that I would lose the signal and then it would cut the camera off. Swing it a little bit to see if I can get a look all the way around. Okay, maybe not. See it all is up in there. If I hold it against the side and I tilt it up, I'll get a good tilt on the camera and I can see if there's anything in there. Okay. Yep, here's the bottom. Come over this way. Get a little scan all around. That's pretty neat. How this thing's been here for hundreds, who knows how long. Sure, over 100 years. Alright. So there was a log cabin here, and each of the logs had a Roman numeral engraved on them to show where the log went and placement. The guy that told me about it is in his 70s, and he remembers it when he was a kid. He did like a book report in school, so he said he has pictures somewhere of this log cabin. And I have the historic aerial of it from 1956, and you can't really tell it's a cabin built a very long time ago. Alright, I'm going to raise it back out, and then I'm going to turn the camera so that I can... I should have marked the rope. I need to go back down and mark the rope so that I can see how deep the hole is, how deep the well is, that is. Okay. Okay, so let's say right here is the depth. Put this paper clip on. Stab it through it. Alright, that'll work. There's a paper clip on it. And then I'm going to pull it back out. I'm going slow so that I can get some good images. Cows making their noises, freaking me out. Next time I go down in there, I'm gonna yell hello or something and see if you can hear me. That'd be neat. Okay, and we're out. Okay, GoPro survived. Yes. Let's see what we got. Highlight added. Okay. Let's see how that looked. 6 minutes. It was in there. All right. I'm going to try to go around and see if I can lower it in this way. That way I can scan all the way around the rocks. I think that'll be pretty neat. Have a different point of view. All right. Angle it that way and just do a little knot here. 200-mile-an-hour tape. This is actually T-Rex tape, named after my ex-wife. Okay. That's your second one. Right here it is. That'll be fine. All right, here we go. Ready to go in, just like that. Okay. So now we can get a side. We can get a visual of the side. Turn the light on. Lights on. Turn the GoPro on. Okay. GoPro is on. We're going in the hole. If I can get it on the other side of that vine, root, that would be great. Oh, there we go. All right, I got it. Okay. So it's turning as it goes in, which is cool. Then I don't have to turn it. Just making a... Oh, God. Cows make a lot of noise. Make me nervous. Oh, gosh. Going in this well. It's 100 years old. And hearing noises. Hello? Can you hear me down there? Good. Alright, we'll turn around. So I got the GoPro set to where it does really good with motion when the video's going, turning, fast, whatever. It does a very good recording. So I can take still pictures off of that. It's also set on widescreen. Okay, so there's the end of the rope. Get close to the bottom. Should be hit the bottom soon. Okay. Alright, there's the bottom. I'm going to try to see if I can get it to turn. I just lifted it just a little. turn it, I get a view all around the bottom. I've got it slightly angled down. Go around several times. Also, while I'm twisting this rope, when I come back up, maybe it'll automatically twist back. We'll see. Don't get too technical here. But I can do that as it comes back up. Alright. Hey, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, because you're going to see me doing a lot more stuff like this. I like to find things. I'm an explorer, and I love history. I'm going to see what I can find out about the people that lived here, learn a little bit of their history. It's all good stuff. Be interesting to know where they came from, you know, their origins. Might be able to learn some of that. All right. Here we go. And we're out. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to turn it. Get a little bit of a view at the top here. See what we got all the way around. Okay, in and out. Oh yes. Hey there, GoPro. You made it. You made it out alive. I'm happy about that. I wish it was angled down a little bit. I thought I angled it down more, but it might have got pulled back up on the way out. Yes. So the next thing I'm going to do is go over to an old home site that this house burnt in the 30s.